Hello, everybody. I am Yoxan Isaí Bravo Flores, and I am a student of CIT 260. And this is the final presentation video. In this video, we will see something such as the program in which we have working. And I say we because this is a program of a work of a team. In this case, the team is Marvin Enamorado and me, Juxan Bravo. And let's see some things. Okay, to start, this is the the Joseph in Egypt program. This program is an idea of one partner of the class that he is Kimish. I don't remember his last name, but he's Kemish. Kemish Montes. Okay, and this is a game. The purpose of this game is to help Egypt, as the name of the game is to help Egypt to survive. And this is because Egypt, uh, as we learn of in the Bible, in the Pharaoh had a dream in which he saw seven cows, and then he saw seven cows, but the second team of cows were really thin, and the thin cows ate the the big cows or the fat cows. So in the game, you are Joseph, and you had to manage all the sources that you can get of the resources of the different places. For example, here we have some of the territories, the cattle where you can get the meat, the city where the people live, the also the mineral where you can get the minerals as the name say. The mountain is where Joseph can go to ask for help of the Lord, and also the riverside, which is the place where the seed grow up really good, and the village, and the warehouse where all the things are stored are kept. So let's see. Okay, for this game, we see something such as the variables and the classes, and we work on this program that is NetBeans. And for example, let's see some of the and static variable and instant variable. Okay, the static variable is the variable that is one per class. This variable is one per class, and all the class has the access to this variable. And usually this is public because if the variable will not be public, the whole class um, will not have access to this variable. And also we have the instant variable, and this variable is one per object. So the the instance variable is only accessible by or available to the object that is working with it. Okay, let's see an example. Okay, for example, put double calc volume of container. This is the instant variable because it's only used by this part of the class, and and some some variables such as area and volume are are how do you say that, static variable because it's one per class. For example, the volume is used by this. Here we have by this also, and we calculate volume by area and height. So another thing that is important is the array. Okay, let's see. I don't remember where I have the array inventory control. I think he's no, he's not have. Uh, okay, let's see something. Uh, I'm looking for it. Array transport control goods view. Okay, give me a second. Please give me a second. Okay. Uh, okay. While I am looking for the place where we have the arrays, let's do a test with the class as start program view. Okay, this is start program view. Start program view. Okay, here we have. Okay, we have this part. Private string get players names. Well, we have an example of the strings and the arrays. So here we have the part where the player's name is going to be introduced by the players, and here we have the part of the code who is making valid this part. Also, when we have uh, entered the name of the player, we will have, for example, this welcome message, and depending um, of the option, then we will have another menu, and then another menu depending of the option, and then another menu, and by that. So let's do a run test. Joseph Egypt. Okay. Here we have. This is the game Joseph in Egypt. In this game, you will have Joseph in Egypt. Okay. Okay, here we have the things working as the code was written. So enter the player's name. In this case, let's start with the name Joseph. Joseph. Okay. Enter and then welcome to the game, Joseph. We hope you have a lot of fun. Okay, here we have the main menu, start new game, continue save game, get help on how to play the game, save game, and exit. Okay, first of all, we have the end start game. Okay, once we have selected another option, we will have a new menu. In this part, he's move to a new location, explore location, and then okay. In this part, we will be stopped by this because we don't have another menus. Let's see, for example, G transportation goods. Okay, in this part we have another menus in which place we want to transport the goods. In this case, we will choose the village, and then okay, we will don't have this part. So okay, let's close this part and run again. Okay, enter the next player's name below, Joseph again. Okay, and if we enter another variable that is not uh, between the options, okay, for example, an A. Okay, invalid selection, try again. A B, invalid selection, try again. Okay, and S. Okay, save game function call, but we don't have any game, so we can't save game. Then okay, let's. This is the part of the of the running test. Okay, let's see. And okay, here we have inventory item. But this is another part. Okay, I think it's it. String operation. Okay, something with the arrays is that we have different types or different kind of arrays. Depending of the kind of arrays is the things that you can put into the arrays. An arrays is, for example, a lot of places where you can introduce different. Well, this is depending of the arrays. You can enter the same data types in the same array, or uh, you can uh, input different data types of the arrays. For example, in in the goods, okay, I'm looking for it. In the goods, we have meat, oil, rock, wood, grain, legume, water, oil, honey, salt, hammer. This is different types, but all of these can be input in an array because we have different types of arrays. I think it's enum, and this type of array can have a lot of different data types. And for the final, we have the byte stream and the character stream. Okay, I have not an example of this because we didn't at this part, but um, the thing that it says is that okay, first of all, Java, when Java initially, Java only supported byte file stream, and the byte file streams is a file that only reads and writes binary data and byte at time, but sequential order. Okay, but also we have the byte file streams mm, that is also used to read and writing character data stored in ASCII format. Okay, the no, this is part of the byte streams, but the file stream classes is a character when a character streams allow you to read and write character data regardless of the format that the data is stored in it. It supports characters in both ASCII and Unicode format. Okay, the difference basically is that byte streams only can read and write the byte and binary, and the character streams can write and can read different types of um, data types, not only a binary. So this is a really, really, really a little part of all the things that I want to share with you about this last presentation. And thanks for all your patience and for your attention. Thank you.